As you can see, it hasn't got much hairs on its backside, has it? It looks pretty bald. I might pick it up actually. I think it'd be alright to hold. I'm not holding this one yet. It looks pretty docile. So, not sure whether to pick it up. But I don't want to try and pick it up unless it's ready to molt. I know my green bottle blue is molten because it's buried itself in its hard, look. And someone else said to me that when they do this, that means they're ready to molt, or they've gone into molten season or whatever, ready to shed the skin. So it usually hides there, the green bottle blue, but as you can see why it's hard, look. It's blocked itself in. But yeah, anyway. What do you reckon on that one? Does it look pretty healthy to you, or? I don't know, I'm not sure.